Here's how you can use shared Google Drive on your iPad. So let's get started. And if this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one. So the Google Drive is naturally like a place on the internet, but you likely don't want to share the whole thing with someone, but only a folder, right? That is the usual blueprint of how people do this, right? So part of your Google Drive, you can see so many different files and folders, and you set up one which is going to be shared, right? So you can perhaps click the plus button, start a new folder, whatever. And then what you have to do is to locate it within your files and tap on the three dots next to it. And you can see that you can either tap on a share, which means that you can type in a specific email address, a Gmail of a person which you want to share it with. That means that if you know someone, right, which you have the specific Gmail address of, you can type it right here. They're going to receive it as a notification and they can accept it and have access to your folder right here. That works out well, but if you need a little bit more like a general approach, you can, instead of clicking the share button, tap the manage access. And you can decide that you can like make the link or you could create the folder which is going to be accessed by link. So you proceed with that and choose that anyone with the link is going to be basically allowed to either view or comment or even edit, meaning that they can upload their stuff to that folder too. So if you click on editor and tap the copy link button, you can share the link with multiple different people and those can access that folder within your Google Drive and also upload their own files there or delete the existing ones, whatever. So that would be a great way to use the shared Google Drive. So as I said, you might only share it with one person or just create a link with which anyone can access. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up. Thanks a lot for watching and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials too.